Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create SEO-friendly URL structure. So if you want to boost your Google rankings in 2025, the secret is an SEO-friendly URL structure. And in this video, I'll show you how to create clean, optimized URLs that actually help your site rank higher. So the first step that you can do is keep it short and simple. So instead of using this long URL, you can just keep it short, such as this one. So you can see that this one is much better. And step 2, you can use keywords. So always include your target keyword in the URL. For example, if your keyword is SEO-friendly URLs, your link should look like this. You can see these are the keywords. And next one, don't forget to avoid stop words and symbols. So remove unnecessary words like and, the, of, and avoid symbols like the question mark, the and, or the hashtag symbols, because clean and readable URLs are easier for both Google and users. And the next step, use hyphens, not underscores. So Google recommend hyphens instead of underscores like this. So for example, instead of using this underscores on your URLs, you can just use the hyphens symbols. And last one, don't forget to keep a logical structure. So your URL should match your site hierarchy. Example, this one, category, subcategory, and then the page. So this will help search engine understand your content better. And if you already have messy URLs, you don't need to be panicked. You can use 301 redirects when changing URLs so you don't lose rankings. And that's how you can create SEO-friendly URLs in 2025. Keep them short, keyword-rich, and clean. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks for more tips. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.